Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, we're taking a look at Crystal's Ice Cream Shop, and this is from the Honeybee Acres toy line. I found this little shop in my Walmart's clearance section, and I originally thought that it was part of the markdowns that they were doing for their toy clearance, but I realized once I got it home, it was marked down because it was missing a piece. If you look here at the door, there's this little plastic piece and you see the outline of where the figurine was. And this was marked down to $9.23. So I purchased this about 2 months ago. And I've noticed that it is not on the shelves anymore at my local Walmart, but there is a bakery that is out now. And it is this same building, but in a different color scheme. And it is regular price. So if you're liking this and you can't find it, you might want to check to see if your store has the bakery. So I was taking this out of the packaging and I realized there's two layers to the packaging. So I have the outer layer out, the main box that it comes in, and then you have this other packaging. It's just basically paperboard. But when you look inside, there looks to be a background scene painted on, and the bottom looks to have a grass painted on it. So I'm going to try to keep that. So I just wanted to show you just in case you do find one of these, and you may want to be careful ripping it open because you might want to use the background. Here's the inside of the packaging, and I think I'm going to keep this. It would make a really good backdrop for my mini dolls. There are holes on the side, and that's because the outside box was made to look like a window on the packaging. So I can cover this up. I'm not too worried about that. But I'm definitely going to keep this for my mini Barbies. And it can lay flat. I did not cut the tape on this lower part here. Here's the shop out of the packaging, and you can see the color scheme is purple and pink with a little bit of white. And then you have the green for the grass and multicolored flowers. And the window here kind of resembles a tree. And the door does open, and you can move the top and bottom independent of each other. So if you just want the bottom open or closed, you can do that. On the sides of the doors, you have these two trees that look like they are part of the building. You also have this large window over here, and this kind of reminds me of an ice cream cone. In this window, you have two hearts, and this looks like stained glass, but it's just plastic. And you have a diamond in the center, and on this side, there is an ice cream cone. And you have all of these different flowers on the side and some more grass. And on this side, you have this ice cream cone hanging from a hook here. And I guess this is the sign to let people know that this is an ice cream shop. And you also have a little bit of a walkway here. There's not a wall on this side, but there is a little counter. So looking at the shop from the back, there's really only two walls. You have the main wall for the front, and you have this side wall. And all of your accessories are packaged to the floor, but there's actually another floor underneath it. So this slides out, and everything is covered with plastic. But there is another piece of paperboard that is your actual floor. You can see that you have the back side of the counter. Up here you have some ice cream cones hanging, and they don't do anything, they just hang there. You have two pink shelves here, two blue shelves on this side, and here at the window you have cutouts on the ledge where you can add some accessories. And on the corner where the windows are, you do have a little chandelier. You get a pink and gray ice cream counter, and you can actually put ice cream inside of it. Well, faux ice cream. And there's a little hook on the side. You get two blue and purple chairs. You get this little stand, and I guess this holds ice cream. Or maybe it holds your toppings. You get an ice cream scoop, and I guess this hangs on the side of the ice cream counter on this little hook. You get a mixer, or I think this is to make your milkshakes, because this does move. You get a little gray cup, and I think this goes inside. There's some texture on it. So I think that's for your milkshake. And it does fit at the bottom of the little machine. You get a bottle of strawberry syrup, a bottle of chocolate syrup. You get 2 of these bowls, and I think these are for banana split because you do get some already made banana splits. I think they fit in like that. So here are the 2 banana splits, and I'm going to say this one is strawberry with chocolate sauce, and this one is mint chocolate chip with strawberry sauce. You get 4 of these little sundae cups. You get several scoops of ice cream, and I'm guessing you can put the scoop of ice cream on top of the little bowl. You also get several ice cream cones, and the ice cream can fit on top of the cone, and you get several different toppings. And I think this stand holds our toppings. And you get 3 of these little, I think they're candy jars. Well, that's what I'm going to call them. But you get this blue one, and you get this pink one, and you get another pink one with a little heart on the top. Recently at Walmart, I found this Barbie Extra Mini, and she was only $2. I don't really collect these. Before this one, I only had one other one, but I thought her colors matched the shop perfectly with the purple and pink. Here she is out of the packaging, and she comes wearing a purple hat, and it does have pink heart glasses on it, but they are attached to the hat. Her hair is pink and blonde. She has painted on stars underneath her eyes, wearing silver feather earrings. Her silver shirt is separate from the purple skirt, and they both Velcro in the back. And she's wearing a pink heart belt or fanny pack, and it hooks in the back. She's wearing pink boots, and they have faux laces in the front. She does come with a silver stand that says Barbie Extra Mini Minis. So my friends, let me know what you think about Crystal's Ice Cream Shop from Honeybee Acres. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.